car engine has a torque of 745 Newton meters, with 544 horsepower, which has a distance of up to 625 kilometers. BMW i7, the first BMW i Series car to enter Wetgloss. Really unexpectedly, this latest car came to us to do if coating is permanent and stays forever muddy. This car is personalized, powerful and full of potential. The i7 is equipped with the technology that makes it possible you create a customized riding experience and are ready to start your next adventure. The BMW i7 is very well designed, making it the fastest all-electric BMW i Series ever made. Dual electric motors, all-wheel drive and power boost combine to propel you forward at incredible speeds. Why does this car owner believe in Wetgloss so much? Not because of relatives or friendship, but because of the owner of the car really believes in Wetgloss and the quality of the coating product. Because basically Wetgloss itself is not a coating that is applied on a smear or on a sticker. Wetgloss is a coating which is applied in spray, which is the only product in Indonesia. So, for those of you who want to take your car into our workshop, come straight away and ask us. Don't believe in social media. See for yourself and come to our workshop and see what the quality of Wetgloss itself is like.